Hello YouTube, my name is Kennedy. So let us continue with our Metasploit framework tutorials. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about information gathering, and we have two types of information gathering. The first one is passive information gathering. The second one is active information gathering. So, passive information gathering is a process where you discover details and information about your targets without touching their systems or the targets. And the output of passive information gathering are maybe you can get network boundaries for those systems or hosts or targets, that case, and you can even get the operating system the target systems are using, and you can even get web server softwares. So in this process, you can use tools like WHOIS, Gig, or NSLOOKUP. On the other hand, we have active information gathering, and in this case, we interact directly with the target system to learn more about it. You can conduct port scans for open ports and determine the services running on their systems. And you can even use a tool like Nmap to do the scanning. So first of all, let me launch my terminal here. So after launching my terminal, let me launch my terminal, then start my Metasploit framework. But we have to initialize it with a database which is called PostgreSQL, which will make the Metasploit framework run faster. So just type here service PostgreSQL start. That command will start our PostgreSQL, which will enable the Metasploit framework to run faster. So after starting the PostgreSQL, I'm being given an input field here for password, which is the root password of Michael Linux. So let me just type it. After that, the next thing is to run the Metasploit framework through this command msf console. Now let us wait for the Metasploit framework to run through this command called msf console. Yes, now the msf console has started coming up. As you can see, starting the Metasploit framework console. So give it some seconds, load. Good. Now the Metasploit framework is good and up and running, and as you can see, we have a banner here. This banner is changing every time you reload your PC. If you reboot it, if you exit from the msf console and start it again, the banner will automatically change. And we have some exploits, auxiliary ports, payloads, encoders, knobs, and version. These things we discovered them and we discussed them in the previous video, so it's not about this video now. But in this video, we are talking about information gathering. So first of all, let us use a tool called WHOIS, and this tool is used for passive information gathering. We don't touch the systems, just do external information gathering to get some little information. And let us specify the domain name here. For example, tomb.ac.ke. So we are asking the database of WHOIS to tell us more information about tomb.ac.ke. So from the starting point, the domain name is tomb.ac.ke. Registry domain ID is 92386 Kenny. Registrar URL blank. It is not provided. Updated date is 2024 January. Creation date was 2013 January. Registry expiry date was 2020. Oh, sorry. Registry expiry date will be 2025, and registrar registration expiration date is 2025 January, and its timestamp is here. Then domain status is active on HTTPS, a secured hypertext transfer protocol. ican.org, and registrar is Kenya Education Network. So these are education websites, and registrar IANA ID is post 511489820Z. Registrar address is Kennet offices. Address is PO Box 30244-001, Nairobi. Registrar country is Kenya. Now, after doing the WHOIS information gathering process, we got a bunch of information. But now let us look at active information gathering, where we learn more about it and conduct port scans. And we can use a network mapper here, and we can specify -SV flag to mean server version. We want to know the server version running on a particular target, and -SS for stealth scan, and -PN. And -PN, what does? It will tell Nmap to ignore ping commands, whereby we assume that all hosts are live. So next, we want to see the IP address of our Windows operating system. So just come here on the CMD command. Then, when we launch our CMD command, just type here IP config to get the IP address of our Windows operating system. The first one, this one here, is the IP address of our VirtualBox. This is Ethernet 2, but what we are interested in is this one here, Ethernet adapter. So the IP address of Windows operating system is this one. So let us specify it here, 192.168.0.51. Now be told you requested a scan type which requires root privileges. So we should provide a sudo command here, because I'm running a Linux as a regular user, but not a root user. Now our starting Nmap process has started. Let us wait for it to scan and see what ports are open, what you can do to those ports. So you can see that one IP address, one host is up. And what you can see from our initial point is that the scan report for 192.168.0.51 host is up and 0.0065 second latency, but we have 997 filtered ports, which means there may be a firewall or an antivirus blocking our scan process, which is true. I have an antivirus and I have a real-time protection activated with my Windows operating system. And the ports which are open are like TCP 135, which is running on service of MSRPC. Another 139 TCP port is open, running on NetBIOS SSN, and 445 is also open. So from this information, let us now run something like a module which we know it is existing in the database. So let me use auxiliary, which we discovered in the previous video, auxiliary scanner /IP IPI DSEC. I think this is the name of that module. Yeah, it is there. It is existing in the Metasploit framework. And when it turns red, it shows that it is available. Now, let's run the show options command and see what options we're supposed to set. And you can say that our hosts are required, which is yes. Our port is provided for us, it is on port 80. And threads is also required. So let us set our host and the remote host now. The remote host is this one here, this IP address. So 192.168.0.51. And let us also set threads, because already port is set for us. So let us, unless we want to change it, but we just leave it like that default. So let us set threads maybe to 10, and let us confirm our set options if they are correct. Good. Now IP address is here, the threads are 10. So the next thing is just to hit run. And for example, if you are using an exploit here, we'll just type exploit here, but because it's an auxiliary, we just hit run. And as you can see, auxiliary failed, runtime error. You do not have permission to capture on that device. And you can see that scanner block. There's a block here. There's a block here. And open live, open pickup. So these information are just getting their results from trying to scan our Windows operating system. And to be true, I have an antivirus in my Windows operating system, the idle time protection activated. So the purpose of this video was just to get those ports which are open. And as we have seen, the 3 ports are open. So we gathered the information and we know that 3 ports are open. So you can use any auxiliary module to try and scan those ports, even get a data shell, which we will cover in the following coming videos.